Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to import Terraform resources which is already created manually or which is not managed by the Terraform. So let's see how we can do this. So for this, we have some prerequisite. We need the access key and seekers key of your account. And we are going to do just import Terraform resources which is not managed by or manually created by someone. So we are going to control using the Terraform. So let's see how we can do this. So for this I have already created one AWS instances which is already running. You can take this as an example. So I created this resource, you can see here, which is already running. And let's see how we can do this import work. So as per prerequisite, we have to create our access key, our secret key. So if you don't know how to create it, you can go through your my channel. I'm giving the link for that also. You can check it out how you can create access key and secret key. And here I already have access key and secret key, which is I have already configured here. So you can see, so here by checking AWS S3 LS, so I already created this one. So next, so I already created the script. So in this I specified the provider details. So it is very important. So we are using AWS, so I using AWS here, and I specified the region details. Next I'm going to import the resource of in EC2 instance. So if you don't know how to do that, you can go to the documentation. And here you need to specify mandatory details which will be available. So these resources or these arguments you should specify always, then only you can do this. So here I am going to create an instance, and I'm going to give some name here. And you should specify AMI and instance type. This both should be must. So let's see here. You can so same thing I have specified here. So here I specified instance type and AMI. And this is the tag which I'm given, because this instance having the name of web hyphen server. So you can also see here in tags. So this is the tag. This should you specify as like it is. So let's see what we can do. First we need to give Terraform init. So once you give, it will download the plugin. So you can see here .terraform directory as well as log.htcl file. These two will be get created. Next you have to use the command. So you can see here in the website itself. So in terraform.io web page, there is a import command always. So you can see here Terraform import AWS instance, which is the resource name. And you have to give some user friendly your username which you are giving. And you have to give the ID of the instances. So same like I'm going to give. So Terraform import. And I'm going to give this resource. I'm going to import this AWS instance resource. So AWS underscore instance dot. And you have defined some name here. So it is your wish, whatever you can give. So I'm giving as a web underscore server. And then I have to give the instance ID as per the documentation. You can see here, this is the instance ID. So I will go to the web page. So in my console you can see here details, instance ID. I just copied this. And I'm just pasting this. So once I give enter, it's getting importing from our console. So you can see here import got success. And yes, you can see here .terraform state file. So in this you can see the details related to our instance which we have specified. So if I'm doing some modifications, it will be reflect on the instance. So we will check that also. So now I'm going to add one more tag. You can see here already we have only one tag, which is web hyphen server. I'm going to add one more tag here, which is environment equal to dev. So here I added one tag, and I just save this one. And let's give terraform plan. So it's refreshing with the state file. Once it got refreshing, you can see here, so here I'm going to add one tag, so that's why it is showing as a plus. Environment is equal to dev. So now I'm going to give apply hyphen auto hyphen approve. So as soon as give I auto approve, it automatically get configure. So it's done the changes right now. So if you go to your if you gone through your state file, it will be reflected there also. So there is a backup state file also which got now created. And you can also see the tag which I have given. You can see here under the tags environment is equal to dev. And let's see whether it is reflecting in the console or not. So I just done the refresh, and I choose the instance, and you can go to your tags. You can see here environment is equal to dev. So now this resource we are managing with our terraform. So like this you can import n number of resources which are not managed by, or you are created sometime manually. So you can do manage with your terraform. So if you like this video, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching. Do watch continuously for more videos. Thank you.